All right, here we are with Shaun Neller. Shaun, introduce yourself. You're here on Unbox with ARG.
Cool. So I am Shaun Neller. I am from B&R Industrial Automation. I'm the Global Key Accounts Manager. Work closely with ARG. Yeah, so we bought something nice and small because I think best things come in small packages. It's cool.
Ooh, okay. I'm going to open it now. Ooh. What is this, Shaun?
It's a spaceship.
It's a spaceship. What's cool about this?
When you buy a pneumatic manifold,
yeah,
quite often people put a bus controller, some sort of field bus network.
Yeah.
This fits into a standard manifold. There's standard 25-way D shell which operates the valves. It also has a gasket seal here, so this can become IP67.
Totally sealed.
This is actually an I/O block. This replaces the I/O that you would have normally in your PLC.
Cool.
Controller.
Great. Well, let's take a closer look at it here. See the connectors, M12 sealed, and there's your standard 25-pin D sub shell. So get a dumb manifold and make it smart with this thing. Cool. Well, thank you, Shaun. Thanks for bringing us something to unbox. Tune in next time.
Thank you.
Thank you, Shaun.